We are thrilled to be officially offering online booking for services at the original Moxie Salon. This video will walk you through the process of booking an appointment on our website. For returning clients that are comfortable booking themselves immediately, feel free to move ahead to the timestamp on your screen to skip the new client booking information. To book a service online, visit originalmoxiesalon.com and select Book a Service from the main menu or the slideshow. On this page, you will find a list of ways to schedule your visit. You can click on any of the blue bolded text to jump to that part of the webpage. The first option is to book a free hair assessment. Hair assessments are for new clients who want to experience an in-person, guided introduction to your hair type and product recommendations, but who are not yet ready to schedule a service. Secondly, you can submit a new client questionnaire. If you aren't sure where to start or have specific questions related to a service, you can get in touch with us using the questionnaire at the bottom of the webpage. This is a great way to start if you're looking for a specialized service that's not listed in the online booking menu, or if you require any special accommodations for your service. Lastly, you can give us a call at 734-340-4022. We're currently available to assist you Wednesday through Sunday. Please note that our store hours change seasonally, so be sure to check the Contact Us page on this website or Google for our most up-to-date hours. If you have to leave a message, please provide us with as much detail as possible. We all have different words to describe our hair. To make sure we're all on the same page, this portion of the website is to help new clients understand Moxie speak. Factors like density, porosity, and length vary from person to person, and they significantly impact the time required for different hair services. For your booking ease, all we ask is that you categorize your hair's length and texture. Short hair is hair that falls above the ear. Mid-length hair falls above the shoulder. Long hair falls below the shoulder. Loose texture means you have less than 1 curl per every inch of your hair. Tight texture is 2 to 3 curls per every inch. And very tight texture is anything more than 3 curls per inch of hair. Now that we've reviewed all of your booking options, let's book an appointment online. First, scroll down the webpage until you see the booking window. You will see that our services are divided into categories, starting with consultations and tutorials. To view all of the categories, hit the More button to view the drop-down menu. For a detailed description of each service, simply click More Info on the service you're interested in. For this video, we'll be booking a curly cut. Select your category from the main menu and scroll within the booking window to view the services. For curly cuts, it's important for us to know if you are a new or returning client. If you're a new client, be sure to select an option that says New Client. Select the service that best matches your description. Once you find the service that best matches your description, select an option from the drop-down menu. Please note that short, mid-length, and long refer to the length of your hair per our booking guide and not the length of your appointment. After you've selected your appointment type, you can choose a stylist to be paired with. You have the option to see everyone's availability by clicking Any Available Staff Member. This will randomly choose a stylist based on the time slot you choose. If you want to work with a specific stylist, you can scroll down and choose from any of our natural hair experts. To read a short description of each stylist, click More. After confirming your stylist, the next screen you will see is a calendar. The solid blue dot signifies the soonest possible appointment. The white dots with blue outlines are available appointments. Scroll down to view the specific times available for that day. Use the arrows at the top of the calendar to toggle between months. If you don't see any time slots that work for you, hit the back button at any point to choose a stylist with different availability. The last step to book an appointment is to enter your details and card information. Our booking website is completely secure and purchases will never be made without your approval. Our stylists work on a commission-only basis and depend on same-day payment of booked services for their income. We ask that you respect their time by providing us with at least 24 hours notice if you need to cancel or reschedule. Appointments that are canceled or rescheduled with less than 24 hours notice will be charged a cancellation fee equal to 50% of the booked service. This charge is non-refundable and cannot be applied to any future services. We will send you appointment reminders in the days and hours leading up to your appointment, including a confirmation email and/or text. Please click the link to confirm your service so that we know you plan to arrive on time and ready to receive your scheduled service. For more information on prepping for your appointment, hover over Services in the main menu and click How to Prepare for Your Service from the drop-down menu. If you're a new client who's requesting a service via our online booking system, you will receive a follow-up email or phone call from your stylist to ensure the service you requested matches your hair type and needs. It's essential for us to connect you with your stylist before your service so that we can ensure your first visit with us goes smoothly. Secondly, please note that your appointment is not confirmed until you receive a notification saying that it has been accepted. To request a hijab-friendly appointment, please call, email, or fill out our new client questionnaire. Because of privacy considerations, these services cannot be booked online. For more information on these appointments, visit the Signature Services page on our website. You now have everything you need to successfully book yourself an appointment online for the original Moxie Salon. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. For any other booking inquiries, you can always give us a call at 734-340-4022 or email us at salon@originalmoxie.com.